Hey guys, welcome back to the Aztec YouTube channel. So today we're doing an unboxing, but this isn't just a normal unboxing of the Skullcandy Crusher Wireless. I've already unboxed these. Had these for like 3-4 weeks maybe. Had them for a while. So I repackaged everything. The cords I already took out of the box, so they're just in the package. So it's different, but it's still an unboxing. And I'm still gonna walk you through it. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so there is no wrap on this thing. I already took the wrap off, as I said, like 3 or 4 weeks ago. So let's just open the magnetic flap, and you'll be presented by the case that comes with Skullcandy Crushers. And I don't think it would normally rip out the accessory box, but that's because I packed this back in. Skullcandies I'm gonna put up here for a minute. The box, the accessories box. A little book in there. There was some cords in there. I took out the charger cable and I took out the aux, and I put it in the bag. Quick start guide. Took that out. Put it in the bag. Now straight into the headphones. I take them out of the carrying case. I'm gonna put the headphones aside for a second. Quick start guide. Aux cable with remote and microphone. And that's it. Here are your Skullcandy Crusher Wireless with the adjustable bass slider with that haptic bass. Volume up and down with the multifunction button. Comfortable padded ear cups. These are over your headphones. Alright guys, well, anyway, that's all I really got to say about these for now. If you want me to make another video on these, please drop a like or a comment. Let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.